270 for Mike Barr, the best of Texas barbecue sauce.
Rob one time say he thinking about buying a brand new Toyota Land Cruiser. Out of all the cars, what did that one show you to make you feel so good about it?
Come on, Brad. It does have lights, but
Who will face Nick in the finals?
Oh, I'm tripping, ain't I?
No, I have lights.
We go drivers.
10 in the morning tomorrow.
Poultry. Watch the lights.
Ooh.
Good old drag race right there, and it is. Brad going 280 on a 276 down, cut an 014 light. Both drivers cut 014 lights. Wow! 279 on the 270 for Mike Barnes, 280 on a 276 dial for Brad. What a great drag race, guys. Both of them. 014 reaction times. Awesome job. All right, and now we're going back to instant green eliminations in the quarterfinals here at the RCDRL Summit Racing Equipment No Prep Nationals, and we have on the line right now Jesse Hernandez, his lane choice, chose the right-hand lane. Chris is in the left. Here we go.
Uncle Chop Chop, what's up with it?
Find a good spot. Okay, here we go. Drivers, good luck. Instant green. Watch the lights. Good old drag race right there, and it is Jesse going too flat with a 4 to a 2. 2 with an 8.
My boy.
That is a heck of a race, absolutely. That was just a great race.
That was a good race.
2.00 to a 2.02. Great drag race right there. He had Jesse off the line. Jesse had to run him down in the lights. Great quarterfinal here. Here's another quarterfinal. Mason Cooper.
That's why I was like, no, I don't want to do a final. These things are hard to find in.
Up against Jeremy Carter. Here we go, drivers. Good luck. Watch the lights. And it will be Jeremy Carter.
You cross the line, you
Going
lose.
to the next round. Mason missed the money round by just that much. 198 with the 974 miles an hour. He is low for the meet and dropped the boom on the field. 198 with the 974.1 miles an hour for Jeremy Carter. Carter ain't selling peanuts no more. All right, Alan Cryer.
Hey, I just sent that email to you, Twisted Soul.
Factory Showdown final. We need you to the line, please. Street Eliminator. Need you to the line. Here we go, drivers. Watch the lights. Good old drag race right there, and it is Alan going 213.
He probably totaled
Taking out a quicker, but losing 206 with the 5. That was all done right there on the starting line. 213. At the finish line, he was 27 thousandths of a second ahead of him at the stripe and takes it by way of
all the way down now. Look like he towed something up on down there. He jumped the curb.
Did he really?
Yeah, from the bottom. Like, he made a left.
As soon as they cross the finish line, I take my eyes off of it.
Yeah.
All right, so we're in the box stock final. Mark Murdoch,
Box stock final.
lane choice over Michael V. Pro Tree. These cars can enter into the all-run bracket class tomorrow. As we are completing, it's official, we are completing the all rounds tonight, well before our curfew. Pro Street Outlaw will race again tomorrow in its own class. So will 13.5 and all-run bracket drivers. Watch the lights. And Murdoch saw the red light and did the smart thing, lifted and coasted right through there to take the win in the factory showdown.
First time at this event, won it.
There you go. Congratulations, Mark Murdoch.
Do I get a slip or no? No, you don't. Oh, actually, you know what? Here, you can keep going. Bye, man.
They've been talking head all day.
Hey, let me get straight. I started out hating that man. I'm still rooting for him.
All right, that's it. That's how we do it. So that's another one in the books, folks. We have to give these Pro Street Outlaw guys some time. So right at 6 o'clock, that gives you guys 10 minutes to turn these cars around and come back for your semifinal. Jesse Hernandez, congratulations. You have earned a bye run to the Pro Street Outlaw Final. Jeremy Carter, you will have to face Alan Pryor in what is, at least on paper, one darn good semifinal matchup there. Brad Wardrop, Nick Clay, whenever you guys are ready for your final, come on up.
I'm like, you running them? Okay, I'm not going to blow it then. I'm not going to blow the track off. All right. I appreciate it. My back appreciates you too.
Yes, sir. We appreciate you, sir, and all the hard work that you've done this entire season, none less the day itself. You've been
I tell you what, man.
So, folks, once again, while we're in a short break, check out RCDRL, the home of RCDRL, on Facebook for an announcement.
4 times a day,